Hazrat Masruq narrates that Hazrat Khawab radiyallahu anhu said, I was a blacksmith in Makkah Mukarramah, and I made As bin Wail Sahmi a sword. When I went to him to ask for my wages, he said, I will not pay you unless you disbelieve in Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. I whereupon said, I will not defy Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, even if Allah Jalla Jalaluhu causes you to die and then resurrects you. He thereupon said, when Allah Jalla Jalaluhu will cause me to die and then resurrect, I will even then have property and offspring. Whereupon Allah Jalla Jalaluhu sent down this verse, have you seen him who disbelieved in our signs and says, I shall surely be given wealth and children? Has he looked into the unseen, or has he taken any covenant with the most affectionate? In this report, the word mawthaqan has been used, but report of Ashja'i from Sufyan does not have the words saifan as well as mawthaqan. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 4733.